Here, calorimetry question number 5. Indian style of cooling drinking water is to keep it in a pitcher having porous walls. Water comes to the outer surface very slowly and evaporates. Most of the energy needed for evaporation is taken from the water itself and the water is cooled down. Assume that a pitcher contains 10 kilograms of water and 0.2 grams of water comes out per second. Assuming no backward heat transfer from the atmosphere into the water. Calculate the time in which the temperature decreases by 5 degrees centigrade. Specific heat of capacity of water is given 4200 joule by kg degrees centigrade and latent heat of vaporization of water 2.27 into 10 to the power of 6 joule by kilograms. In this question, we are using a pot to cool the water. But usually we are using a pot which is made with clay or used to cool the water. So here in the question given picture is nothing but a large container made of clay, usually round in shape and have a narrow neck and two handles shaped like ears. But in this question we have to understand very carefully. What is that? This question is completely based on evaporation. So evaporation is a cooling process. Whenever we are pouring the water into the pot, immediately what happens there? The water which is present inside the pot to be cool. That means evaporation that should be takes place. That means surface phenomenon. So evaporation is a surface phenomenon and also cooling process. In evaporation, what happens means most of the amount of energy present inside the pot which must be utilized to cool the water by evaporation. So due to that, what happens in this case? Energy required to decrease the temperature of 10 kilograms of water present in the pitcher to 5 degrees centigrade, which is equal to the energy required for evaporation of water to 0.2 grams per second. But in this question, what are the given values? First of all, mass of the water inside the pitcher is 10 kilograms. Loss in temperature, that is delta T, is equal to 5 degrees centigrade, and specific heat of water which is given 4200 joule by kg Kelvin, and latent heat of vaporization 2.27 into 10 to the power of 6 joule by kilograms. Why this is given? Because during evaporation, water turns into vapor. So that means the change of state takes place, that is latent heat of vaporization 2.27 into 10 to the power of 6 joule by kg. And here the amount of water comes out, that is 0.2 grams per second, but convert into kilograms, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 kilogram per second. Now we have to solve this one. Which one we have to solve? How much amount of time which is required to calculate the time? First of all, equate. This is the main criteria we are using this one. So this is the main source we are using to calculate the problem. So here the energy required to decrease the temperature of 10 kilograms of water to 5 degrees centigrade, that I will take this one as Q1, and the energy required for evaporation of water, this one I will take as Q2. We are equating those two. So first of all, Q1 is equal to Q2. So Q1 is nothing but Ms delta T is equal to M into latent heat of vaporization. So here this is M, means what is that? Mass of water, specific heat of water. But here what is this one? Mass which must be comes out. So here mass of water I will take as 10 kilograms into specific heat of water 4200 into rise in temperature, that I will take 5, is equal to this mass is nothing but how much amount of water which must be comes out in seconds, that is given. So that's why 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 mass by seconds, that is given. This one is multiplied with the T, that is time. into latent heat of vaporization 2.27 into 10 to the power of 6. But here on multiplication of this one, that is 21 into 10 to the power of 4 is equal to, on multiplication of 2.27 into 2, that we will get as 454 into, this is the time. But I want to calculate this time. This time expressed in terms of kilogram by seconds. No, this is seconds. So here T is equal to 21 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by 454. Here this is expressed in terms of seconds, but I want to calculate in terms of minutes. So that's why is equal to 21 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by 454. I want to convert seconds into minutes, means it is multiplied with 60. After calculation of this one, 7.7 minutes. This is the solution for question number 5.